This is Voilave Eye Gel, a 3-in-1 professional eye and face treatment that reduces wrinkles, dark circles, and puffy eyes. Hashtag byebyepandaeyes.
Ensuring the best for our customers, this serum includes natural and organic ingredients. And this eye gel is safe on all skin types with no parabens, no sulfates, or alcohol.
The cucumber provides an anti-inflammatory effect that reduces puffiness, and the plant stem cells prevent premature aging for the fragile skin surrounding the eyes. To firm and tighten the skin surrounding the eyes, this serum includes Matrixyl 3000, the most organic way to get rid of dark circles.
The gel comes in a convenient airless pump jar for more sanitary application.
This is a fantastic serum to use before our coconut face tightening lotion. The serum can be used anywhere on the face to rehydrate and fight premature aging skin.
Hashtag byebyepandaeyes was created to give back to pandas. We donate a portion of our profits each year to the pandas of the world. Give back and save the pandas. Much cuter in wildlife than under our eyes.